Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app videos. Today I'll teach you guys or show you guys a website through which you guys can get TikTok's text to voice feature on your PC as well. Alright, now this feature is only available in mobile, but let's say you want to edit some videos on your PC and you want that feature. So this website does exactly what you want. Alright, and before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. First step, you want to come to this website. This website over here, you can see the URL. Make sure you type this, alright? Type weilbyte.github.io/tiktoks_tts/. Make sure you type this, or you can pause the video to type it, alright? Once you type it, you come to this website called TikTok TTS, text to speech, alright? And over here, you can write anything you want. Let's say I'm going to write, "Good day, sir." Oh, sorry about sir. Once you write whatever thing you want, you can select the voice. Now I'm going to select the TikTok's, the female one, the pretty famous one which many people use. I'm going to choose this. Click on generate. Now wait for some time and the audio should be generated like this. Now click on this button.
Good day, sir.
I'm going to play it like this. And if you want to download it, you can click on this three dot and click on download, and it'll download as well. And if you want to change the voice, you can choose anyone from over here, alright? Feel free. Just click on generate again and play it.
Good day, sir.
Just like this. So hope you understand how you guys can get TikTok's text to speech on your PC as well. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys on my future videos. Bye bye.